I am so grateful to be here today in Jackson, Mississippi. I love the South. I have spent most of my growing up years in the South. I lived all over the globe, lots of different cultures, lots of different people that we met, but my heart will always be in the South. So thank you so much for letting me be here today. We are going to take back our life today, and we are going to gain knowledge and education about our bodies. We're going to take a health journey to a longer life, and we're going to do that together. Did you know that 1 out of every 3 adults is obese in Mississippi? Half of the children right here in Mississippi are obese and overweight and are faced with type 2 diabetes. Overweight children may not outlive their parents. When you are overweight and obese, there are many chronic diseases linked to obesity, and cancer is just one of them. An obese person brings 40% more medical costs than someone who is not obese. My mother was diagnosed with stage 4 metastatic breast cancer at the age of 69, and this was in the year 2010. There is no cancer that runs on my mother's side of the family. We did not know. How could she have been diagnosed with breast cancer? Yes, anyone can get an illness. I understand that. But what was it for my mom, where she was at a greater risk? My mom was overweight most of her life. Her unhealthy lifestyle and being overweight put her at a 50% increase of getting breast cancer. Cancer took my mom's life, but it was her lifestyle that led her to the disease. Did you know that fried chicken is the top food eaten by Mississippians? I know. Fried chicken is amazing. I mean, who doesn't love it? I'm a Southern girl just like you. I've tried all the fried foods. I've eaten all the fried foods. And there is something about fried foods. I will give you that. But fried foods are high in fat, salt, and calories, all leading to type 2 diabetes, hypertension, stroke, and even some cancers. I'm not saying to stop living or to stop enjoying. I am saying eat to live, not live to eat. Mississippi is the unhealthiest state in the nation at 40.8%. That number can be changed, but it's up to you. Losing just 10% of your body weight can help delay or prevent diseases related to obesity. I have been in your shoes, and I know how you feel, and I know that it's hard. I'm not just some skinny girl standing up here telling you what to do, pointing my finger at you. This is me. I was 140 pounds overweight. Food became my life. Food was a comfort to me, but it was also making me sick. I decided to change my life back in 2009, and it took me close to 2 years to lose the weight. What was it for me that made me decide to change my mind? I had many points in my life where I was told that I had a fatty liver at one time. My feet were in so much pain they were on fire with every step that I took. My knees were starting to hurt when I would go up and down a flight of stairs. I remember being at Disney World with my kids and being so frightened that I wouldn't fit into the seat. I was letting food control my life. I was letting food win. I was afraid I was going to be my mother. Now, my mother was my best friend. I loved her so much, and we did everything together. We talked all the time, sometimes even 2 times a day. But her being overweight is what ultimately took her life. I noticed my mom being in a wheelchair, and I had said to myself, if I don't make a change, that is going to be me in 30 years. I don't know what it was about that point in my life back in 2009 where I decided to make that change. But I made that change and I never looked back. Was it easy? No. Did I have some speed bumps along the way and make some mistakes? Yes. And so will you. And that's okay. But you can't say, I'll start on Monday. You can't say, I'll start on Saturday. You start today. Today is the day that you're going to take back your life because it's important and it's for you and it's for you to change the cycle in your family. I had to change the cycle in my family, and you can do it. It is a health journey that you can take. It is a journey that can save your life. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you.